In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set board visibility to either private or public. Whether you're working solo or collaborating with a team, managing board visibility is a key part in keeping your work organized and ensuring the right people have the appropriate access. Let's dive into it. First, let's navigate to the specific board you're working on. Open your browser and enter the address for your account's project space. Once you're logged in, head over to the board you need by simply clicking on it. This will bring you to your project dashboard where you'll see all the lists and cards that make up your board. Once you're inside your board, the next thing to look for is the menu icon, often represented by three little dots. This icon is usually located in the upper right section of your board interface. It serves as a versatile control panel for board settings, giving you access to various functionalities including our focus today. Board visibility. So go ahead and give those three dots a click. This will open up a drop-down menu with a few options for managing your board. With the menu open, you'll see an option labeled Visibility Private. It's a straightforward label that tells you the current setting. Now, this might seem a bit obvious, but it's important to remember that private settings mean only specifically invited members can view or edit the board. If you're managing sensitive information or a project in its early stages, keeping your board private might be the right move. However, if you're running a project that involves broader collaboration or public awareness, you might want to change this setting. To adjust the visibility, you'll just need to click on the Visibility Private option. A window will pop up with various visibility options available to you. At this point, you can choose between keeping your board private or switching it to public. If you opt for public, keep in mind that this setting will open access to anyone who has the board link, allowing a wider audience to view it. But remember, only members with whom the board is shared can actually make changes to it. After selecting your desired visibility setting, it's always a good idea to double-check your work. Ensure that the change was successful and that your board reflects the new setting. You might also want to consider informing your team about any changes made, especially if you're working on a collaborative project. Communication is key in any efficient workflow. And there you have it, you've successfully set your board visibility. Thank you for watching and following along with this guide today. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on how to streamline your digital workspace. Happy organizing!